Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Kids Learning TV. Today let's learn I am action words. I am walking. I am walking. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am swimming. I am swimming. I am eating. I am eating. I am reading. I am reading. I am running. I am running. I am driving. I am driving. I am drinking. I am drinking. I am writing. I am writing. I am sweeping. I am sweeping. I am cooking. I am cooking. I am skipping. I am skipping. I am teaching. I am teaching. I am singing. I am singing. I am dancing. I am dancing. I am sleeping. I am sleeping. I am hiding. I am hiding. I am playing. I am playing. I am calling. I am calling. I am exercising. I am exercising. I am cleaning. I am cleaning. Thank you for watching. Bye!